Menteri Rangba Agajela Conrad Kongkal Sangma hak arpunyo terik ujayong arajar arpuar. Ula kerencai bagajela kan Don Satia benepinbeit ikejing kajaput baga Asam lada kayat bet thikat kum ki kot kisla bat ki map bat uput usam ki it ki hima habapun pauru bagam chumna Don Satia kanu Jingdawa negi Seng Riulum ke betrelang hak sorkar MDA ban syong bishar biang ya ka soskular punbet puat blesoi hapeneng kini ki arjela. Kani kejing keren jong Menteri Rangba Agajela kelami halor kejing persyak kejing perengem jong kaki HADC bat kiklik nong sinsyar mendet mudui yang syari ya ke soskular penbet puat habakam bakat tu kani kejaka nagi santeligi hima lapan hab jubor sya Asam. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ule tu ba ke sorkar jela kamsyam nale aklet di district council bat kiklik nong sinsyar haka jing selok ya kani kam kenthop haka kerdan jong ki regional committee. Haba ongru babarok gidai kebeladan bentalang haka jing keren penbet uput usam. Uloong baki map negi kot kisla ke di kebadan kam. Bala daya keren kikot kisla ke Asam ke daya kebadan kambun kikot kisla baki map. Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba kejing penne ke status quo kam daya Satia kejing penbet habaong banak takadau bagi sorkar kahap bandon kenong rim. Ban kahap ban yang ha kenong rim ban peniak cekamat ya kakam hababu akamat ya kejing bah jang baro lang namarkan poi bet kapor bandon kam palat kelenti ban penbet no ya kene kakam.
I'm just saying that it's sad to see the nature in which it is being perceived. I feel that such negativity and such personalization of a matter of such great importance to the people of the state is somehow just undermining this entire issue, and it's sad to see that people at that stature are looking at this from such a micro perspective is what I'm trying to say. This has gone to Assam. Number one, the exact square kilometers will only be determined once the pillars or once the actual boundary line is drawn, which will be done after a joint survey with Survey of India. That is only an estimated figure, but the actual figures will come out once the survey is done. Second, a large portion of this 18.6 square kilometers which is mentioned in Assam is actually the Gizan Reserve Forest. And the Gizan Reserve Forest is already or was already in Assam in terms of the notification for the forest reserve forest area, which was done under Assam. There is no public habitation there. There are no people, no villages in that area. So therefore, that itself made up a large chunk. So what I would like to stress on is that it would be important for us to see in terms of the villages that have come to us. And if you look at the large number of villages that have come to us, I should say that in this entire process, the Assam government has stuck to principles and ensured that the will of the people is heard, and wherever within the list of disputed villages which was given in 2011, within those lists, the villages that desired to come to Meghalaya, Assam did not create any opposition to it. They went ahead with the will of the people, and that is how we managed to get almost 21 out of the 23 villages in the West Khasi Hills area. So, to cut discussion short, the question of manipulation does not arise. This has been done in a very, very proper and detailed manner. Many officials, many stakeholders were involved in this. Again, I stress that there could be dissent, there could be non-agreement, but I think at the end of the day, the objective of the government was to go ahead and find an amicable solution, and we strongly feel that this is the best solution that we have reached, and we managed to get major areas and villages into Meghalaya, where the people of the tribes of Meghalaya were inhabiting those areas, and those areas have come to us.
Halor kakam Metor bagi Jingdawa jong ki harijan ban penbet ya kakam jongki. Menteri Rangba Agajela uloong baka harijan panchayat komiti kedan kohok bandawa nrega sorkar kanang hab ban bishar benia aswa. Uloong ba menuru kedan kohok bandawa nrega sorkar kahab ban bishar shwa hadu katno uput ubah sorkar kan la bania cekmat. Haba penpau baka ngamat kedai kebajuat bah bat kebahab banda fikir bah. Uloong ba laki degi basa Agajela lani ki begi jet bendriau habar okwe keri bat haka Pyrthei berkowe ki bledon bentah haka ngamat. Namar kata kam de Satia kakam ke basuk bat lebih syar bah ya kena kakam de bathong ya ka high level committee ke belat tresitom bat ke beladai ban a ya ke jingyaro. Dang hagi niki kendiat sengi ka harijan panchayat komiti keladawa bagi sorkar kan ai jaka mar spa square meter syakilai spa sok artli gilong yeng ki basa hatem yo molong. Bat ban mang pisaru mar paulak tengka na kebenta ban pensiona yeng.
Now, having said that, I mean, they have got their concerns, and they have got their demands. Fair enough, everybody has got the right to express. But we will see the limitations and the constraints and the level to which the government can go. If it is something that we feel is not possible, then obviously we will discuss once again and see how to find a solution. I don't think these kind of discussions can be concluded in a one-day session or two-day session. As I said, if you see from where we started to where we are today, there's a huge progress that has been made, huge progress. So now allow the committee to work, allow the discussions to take place. Let us try to find a solution. We have to keep in mind that every citizen of Meghalaya is a citizen of Meghalaya. And it is our duty to ensure that we protect and also ensure that we are able to resolve the problem by keeping the sentiments of the people as a whole from both sides in mind. So therefore, coming back to my opening remarks, not an easy problem to resolve, but with continuous commitment and efforts, today here we are talking at this level and actually reaching to a point where we could find a solution in a very amicable manner. I think that itself shows the progress. Fine-tuning is dead. Let's see how it goes. We will see. Allow the discussions to take place. Allow us to continue the talks with them. And only when things are final will things be final. So till then,